everyone, this is Priyanka and welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will share a online free learning application, online English learning application where you can find a co-partner for yourself, where you can have your regular practice. Most of us want to learn this language because yes, this is very important. It is very important to have a good command over this language. But to learn this language, we are supposed to speak as much as we can. But the question is with whom we should speak. Because in our surroundings, there is no one with whom we can speak. There is no one who speaks this language. Is not it? So this video is going to solve your problem. I will share a free online learning platform which can help you to get a co-partner for yourself where you can practice without being fear of judgment. So no more further delay, let's have a discussion about this free online learning application, right? So the name of this application is Hello application, right? This is really an amazing online English learning application. It really worked for me. It really helped me to improve my English. So I'm strongly recommending you to download this application and start your speaking from this application. Let me show you, how you can get connect with people by using this application. So this is the home page of Hello application. You can see here are some people, right? So you can get connect with them, but you are required to pay, right? Here is another option by name Insta Class, right? So to use this application, if you will use this application, you would find native teacher who can help you to improve your English in a more better way, right? So to use this application, you need to have a money in your wallet. But in this video, I will show you a free service which is present in this application. By using this application, you can get a English buddy for yourself. So here is another option. The name of this option is Insta Match. You can see here is written free. So this services is going to be completely free for you. So you are required to click on this option. After that, you are required to click on Start Insta Match. I hope this option is visible to you. So whenever you will click on this option, you will connect with people. You will get a co-partner for yourself, right? So here you can talk either randomly or you can choose a specific topic for yourself. This this application will give you topic for your conversation, such as topic discussion, truth or dare, or debate or debate. So according to your preference, you can choose option for your conversation. One more advantage is present here in this application is inbox. So the people you will follow, you can send them message if you would love someone's fluency, if you would love someone's way of speaking, right? So this is all about Hello application. I hope I could made all of you understand, right? I hope you have got everything what I have explained in this video. I hope you got to know how you can use this application, how you can find a co-partner for yourself, right? But let me disclose a point which is related to this application, that is, while using this application, you may find some people, rarely you may find 2-3 people whose intention is not learning English, because 5 fingers are not same. So you may face this situation. So here you are supposed to block them or give them negative feedback. This application also has an option to giving a feedback to the people if you would love someone's speaking or someone's behavior. So you can keep your point of view about that particular person, right? So if someone would do misbehave with you, you are supposed to give them bad feedback. You are supposed to block them immediately, right? See, I am not telling you about a negative part of this application. I am just making you aware. I am just telling you a right direction to use this application. Otherwise, this application is really an amazing platform where you can improve your fluency or you can improve your communication skill. I really have a great experience and I thought to share with you. I thought to share my experience to you. Right? So this is all about today's video. I hope this video is going to help you amazingly. Please let me know about today's video. Please let me know if you would love my idea, if you would love my information. Till then, stay happy, stay positive, keep learning. Bye bye for now.